Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about road safety rules and regulations. Road traffic safety refers to the method and measures used to prevent road users from being killed or seriously injured. Typical road users include pedestrians, cyclists, motorists, vehicle passengers, horse riders, and passengers of on-road public transport, mainly buses and trains. It is very important to be aware that road traffic injuries remains an important public health problem. When road safety products are utilized correctly or efficiently, they can help save our lives, prevent accidents and injuries, and keep a society functioning in the most optimal way. Now, we are going to learn about the reasons of road accidents and importance of road accidents. Road safety rules and regulations. Our entire civilization has been based upon some of our extraordinary infrastructures which give us speed and connectivity. The roads are one of the most crucial inventions of man. In day-to-day world, transport has become an integral part of every human being. Roads minimize the distance, but on the other hand, road accidents induce lack of people and results the loss of lives. Road safety is primarily meant about to protect and provide security of all those who travel on roads. India ranks high when it comes to number of accidents on the road. However, in the recent years, improvement has been seen in this area. With a rapid increase in the number of vehicles on the road, the traffic conditions are under a lot of pressure. Therefore, road safety is one of the most serious health issues in our country. It has an impact on everyone, whether one drives a vehicle, walks, or rides a cycle. Reasons for the road accident: overspeeding. The higher the speed, greater the risk. Most of the fatal accidents occur due to overspeeding. Increase in speed multiplies the risk of accident and severity of injury during an accident. Tailgating is illegal and dangerous habit. Driving too close behind a vehicle. Drunken driving. Consumption of alcohol reduces concentration. It hampers visions due to dizziness, and driving under the influence of alcohol cause accidents. Distraction to drivers. Distraction could be outside or inside the vehicle. The major distraction nowadays is talking on mobile phones while driving. The act of talking on phone occupies the major portion of the brain's functions, and smaller part handles the driving skills. Some other distractions are inattentive and loss of thought, daydreaming, adjusting mirrors while driving, stereo in vehicles, animals on road, banners and billboards, etc. Red light jumping. The main motive behind red light jumping is save time. Studies have shown that traffic signals followed properly by all the drivers saves times and commuters reach destinations safely and on time. Avoid safety gears. Use the seat belts in the four-wheelers, and helmets for two-wheelers have been brought under law. These two things reduce the severity of injury during accidents. Causes for the road accident. Distracted driving become larger threat every year and has been leading cause of car accident for the past decades. Please pay attention to the roads while you are driving. This means no calls, no texting, no eating, no reading, no grooming, or application of make while behind the wheel. Lack of visibility makes hazard more difficult to see at night. Make sure that you are extra alert on the road at night and use your full light when on abandoned road without street lights. Sometimes the way of construction zone is set up can be confusing. Follow the cones as well as possible and be aware of the drivers who may be confused. It is especially important to drive slowly in this area to avoid even the smallest accidents from occurring. While we cannot always avoid driving in the rain, the slippery, treacherous roads conditions caused by heavy rains should be avoided when at all possible. If visibility is too low to drive or the roads seem particularly slick, you should pull over and wait until the storm passes. Other different factors. First one is drivers. Overspeeding, rash driving, violation of rules, failure to understand sign, fatigue and consumption of alcohol. Second one is pedestrians. Carelessness, illiteracy, crossing at wrong places, moving on roads and jaywalkers. Third one is passengers. Projecting their body outside the vehicle by talking to drivers, traveling on footboats, catching a running bus, etc. Next one is vehicles. Failure to brakes and steerings, tire burst, insufficient headlights, overloading and projecting loads. Next one, road conditions. Damaged road, eroded road merging of rural roads with highways, diversion of illegal speed breakers. Next one is weather condition. Fog, snow, heavy rainfall, wind, storms and hailstorms. Importance of road safety. Every day, the newspaper report of accidents of road and mishaps occurring frequently. Road accidents are undesired events that lead to injury or death. These deaths and injuries result thus in significant social and economic costs. The problem does not lie with roads, it is our carelessness that results in such misfortune. The loss of life results in the loss of livelihood. Our traffic is heterogeneous mix of slow moving as well as high speed vehicle, which is the cause for the problem. Everyone learns how to drive before they go to take their driver's test. They learn the rules of the road, how to operate their vehicles, what the sign means, and how to maneuver a number of circumstances from heavy traffic to inclement weather. However, as we learn that once and only have to renew our driver's license every few years, a lot of us can forget the importance of the responsibility we take on as drivers as we become caught in the routine of it. And this is only one way that can cause accidents become more prominent on our roads. Thank you, students.